Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our second remote learning day. So I want to start by going over the schedule with you today. So we already had our morning meeting Zoom. It was nice to see all of your faces. And now you are watching the ELA lesson video. So I want to talk about what you're going to do next from here. So you're going to go to your Google Classroom. We had our morning Zoom. Now we're going to work on this Save the Turtles. Okay, so it's on Seesaw when you click on it. There is an article for you to read here. It's the first page up here, Save the Sea Turtles. And it's got some great vocabulary words here. Ancient is one we've already practiced. Endangered, reproduce, nesting. So you're going to read this whole Save the Sea Turtles article. Then there's 2 pages for you to do. There's a Sea Turtles vocabulary page. Notice it says highlight the parts of the text that helped you figure out each word's meaning, because that's how you figure out vocabulary words that you don't know, is you use the other words in the sentence. Then there is a Sea Turtles comprehension. So then you're going to highlight the answers here and then use that text box over here to write some answers here. And then make sure you click this green check box to turn it in. So that's the first thing you'll do. Then the next thing you'll do is your Turtle Bay quiz. So first, silent read the Turtle Bay story. Or if someone is at your house, a grown-up, brother, sister, a pet, you can even read the story to them. Then what's really important when you take your Turtle Bay comprehension test is 2 things. Make sure you click your student number, and then make sure you use the book. Make sure you find the answers in the text. And some of them are going to be about the vocabulary words, so make sure you go back to that vocabulary page and try to figure out what word would fit most in the blank. Then I have put a Kahoot Red Words on for you. So this is fun because you can actually play this Kahoot on your own now. So you can practice your red words at home. Okay, so that'll be super fun. And then if we look at our schedule, so you're watching the LA lesson video right now. You're going to read the Save the Sea Turtles on your Google Classroom. You're going to do the vocabulary and the questions. It says there's 2 sheets. You're going to reread Turtle Bay and then take the quiz on Google Classroom. Use the book. Don't forget to bring this book back with you when you come on Monday. We're going to need it at school, so don't leave that book at home. Then there's a Red Words Kahoot that you can do to practice your red words. For the remainder of the time until 10 o'clock, I put a turtle collection on Epic for you, so you can read some turtle books at home. Try to figure out if those turtle books are fiction, which means they're fake books, and try to figure out if they are true books, which would be nonfiction. Then you can have some Lexia time. You have to have 40 minutes. So if you don't have that, you need to finish those 40 minutes of Lexia time. And then if you do have that done, you could do some epic videos as well if your Lexia goal is met. But make sure you spend some time reading that turtle collection. Then at 10 o'clock, take a break. And then Ms. Sharon has a math lesson video for you that's posted in our Google Classroom on a lesson to do, a round of extra math. And then here's some things if you get done. You can do some IXL lessons, some problems from the math packet, and Freckle. At 11 o'clock, if you need some help, you can go to My Zoom. It's on the Google Classroom page. And if you look here, you'll see Mrs. Deitcher Zoom for reading help. If you need some help or something was tricky or you couldn't get your Seesaw to work or something like that, come to My Zoom. If you need help from Mrs. Sharon, you can go to her Zoom during that time. So if you look here, we will be Zooming 11 to 11:15. And if you don't have any questions, you can finish any work from the morning, IXL or read on Epic, read or practice your math facts at home. Don't do any Epic videos during this time. And then 11:15, we have our art lesson. There's a Zoom link in our Google Classroom that Mrs. Arns posted. Make sure you have your art sheet that I sent home with you. We put it in our zebra book, so it should be in there. And then have something to color with as well. And that's going to be from 11:15 to 11:45. Finish your day with some of your favorite apps that you'd like to do, or epic videos if all your work is done, or silent read, and finish off your day at 12. So I hope this day went well for you. I miss seeing your faces, and I will see you next week. Trying to say bye.